Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own body scrub that will leave your skin feeling soft, moisturized, and give your natural glow that extra boost. Let's get started. Now to make this easy DIY body scrub, you will need a mixing bowl of your choice, some Epsom salt, which is going to work as an exfoliator. You will also need organic virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil moisturizes the skin and is very high in lauric acid, which helps kill bacteria that may cause acne. So I really love coconut oil, you guys. The next thing that you're going to need is some jojoba oil, which also moisturizes the skin, softens cuticles, and can relieve sunburns. And you will also need some peppermint oil, which is optional. I just love the smell of peppermint oil, but you can choose to use any essential oil of your choice. We will also be needing a spoon that we're going to be using to mix it up, and we're gonna need a squeeze of lemon juice as well as a container where we will be storing our body scrub. I really like the glass containers. I just find that they preserve my scrubs for longer, and I just decorated mine so it looks really cute. The next thing that we're going to need, which is also optional, is some rose petals. I just find that it makes the scrub look so nice and smells so good. The first thing I'm putting in is my coconut oil, and I'm using about half a cup of coconut oil. It might seem like it's a lot, but it's because I'm making enough scrub to last me for a whole month. Remember that applying coconut oil to the skin can kill acne causing bacteria and increase moisture, which can also reduce acne and scarring. And this is why coconut oil is one of my favorite, and it also does not grease up, so it works really well in this scrub. Now the next ingredient, which is the main ingredient of this recipe, is my Epsom salt, and as I mentioned, this will be the exfoliating agent in the scrub. It helps create a smoother skin and lends you that youthful glow and keeps the skin feeling radiant. It is one of the most common uses to treat body aches, so adding this to your bath water will help relieve some aches and pains that is caused by inflammation or tension. And I'm adding 1 cup of Epsom salt, but don't quote me on this one, you guys, because I do eyeball my measurements. Now after I microwaved it, I saw that my texture was becoming really smooth, so I just decided to add another 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, and I'm gonna give this a really nice mix and crush all the lumps and pieces that are quite thick so that we can have a nice smooth paste. Now the next ingredient is one of my favorite oils, jojoba oil, and jojoba oil moisturizes the skin. It has antibacterial properties which help boost the skin's glow, fade fine lines as well as wrinkles, and can also help soothe eczema prone skin. And this is about 1 tablespoon. Also gonna add 3 drops of my peppermint oil. As I mentioned, this step is optional. The next step is to add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage. It will also help brighten the skin and even out your skin tone. Just remember to first do a little bit of a patch test on your skin before putting it on your face. And the last step is to add my rose petals, which are an optional step, but I really think it adds just a beautiful fragrance, and it also makes your scrub look nice and colorful. Now you really need to make sure that you have mixed it evenly so that everything is nicely infused together. You will start to smell those aromas coming through, especially the peppermint, you guys. It is so beautiful and it smells amazing and fresh, and obviously you get that zesty smell from that lemon as well, so it really works well together. The next thing I do is transfer it in my container. This is just a container that I bought, I don't even remember where I got it from, but it's quite inexpensive, and I'm just putting all of it inside. Look at how gorgeous it looks, you guys. It feels so great on the skin. I like to store mine in the fridge because I just find that it gets preserved much longer. And obviously coconut oil hardens, so when it's in the fridge, I find that it lasts for longer. I keep it in the fridge for about a month and then it should be done at that point. But if you guys want to keep it in for longer, I'm sure that will also be fine. Don't forget to cleanse before using this body scrub, as it will leave your skin so moisturized, so you pretty much don't have to use lotion after this. You will see your skin will be shiny, it will feel so much more softer and smoother, and it will just boost that natural glow. I absolutely love it. This is one of my favorite scrubs, especially because all of these products are so inexpensive and they are all natural. Another use for the scrub is to just add a little bit into your bath water. This will work as bath salt. It will help relieve aches and pains in your muscle and remove some tension in your lower back. I really love the fragrance. I love how it makes my water smell. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.